Got a 2019 Dodge Durango RT. Has some front end collision damage by the bumper. So swipe on this door. The rest of the side's pretty clean. Take a look at the side. Appears that all the airbags are intact. Sunroof. Some damage here. Salvage title. It does start and drive. Let's take a look at the back. It's a little tight in here. Interior is pretty clean. I don't see any signs of structural damage. All the doors open and close fine. No buckles in the roof. Take a look under the hood. Oh, wow, we got 2 sets of keys, which is very rare. A 5.7 liter Hemi. No structural damage. Everything looks good under the hood. Aprons are good. All the cooling is good. It'll be on our website soon. If you like our content, please subscribe to our channel. Hit the like button, and we'll keep the content coming. Thanks.